Dear veterinary friends, welcome to youtube.com oblique Dr. Vet channel. I am Dr. P.R. Patel, Professor Head Veterinary Medicine. Today we will see the question bank number 4. We have already seen the question bank 1, 2 and 3 in each we have seen. Total 25 in each and total 75. In this question bank 4, it will be added 25 more, so total will be 100. My idea is first I am giving about 100 questions in each subject, but my plan is to give 500 questions in each subject. In this 500 questions, all are selected, and if you read it and mug it up or understand everything thoroughly, my guarantee is that you will be able to answer 80% questions. Remember these things. It is my guarantee that you will be able to answer 80% questions in the examination. But it requires your serious efforts and my serious effort also. Okay, now we'll move on question bank number 4, parasitology. Black flies are a member of family. Answer Simulidae. Question 2. Bot flies family. Answer Ostridae. So the student, you have to mug up the family of almost all common parasites. Question number 3. Number of fused segments in head of insecta. Total there are 6 fused segments. Question 4. Order of fleas. Siphonoptera. Question 5. Mite causing loss of a large patch of wool in sheep. This is commonly asked question. Important question from clinical point of view in medicine also. Chaelytidae surrogates. Question number 6. Cause of false git. We have seen the cause of true git. This is the cause of false git. Answer Strus ovis. It is a fly. Question 7. Ruminant hookworm is also commonly asked question. Bunostomum trigocephalum. We have already seen the canine hookworm. It is the Ankylostoma caninum. Both are important. In dog also, Ankylostoma caninum is very much important, which causes hemorrhagic dysentery or diarrhea. Question number 8. Number of hosts of Boophilus tick. Answer only one host. Number 9. Fowl tick Argus persicus is a periodic parasite. Remain only for some period only. Number 10. Kidney worm of swine is commonly found in the kidney of swine. Answer Staphylococcus dentatus. Question 11. Most common poultry nematode. Common poultry nematode also and commonly asked question. Answer Heterachis gallinarum. Commonly asked questions. Question 12. Largest nematode without buccal capsule. Nematode which do not possess buccal capsule. Answer Ascaris. Question 13. Trichuris globulosa present in. Answer cecum of cattle. When they are less in number, they are non-pathogenic. Question 14. Cause of cerebrospinal nematodiasis. Very common disease of animal and common questions also. Answer is Sataria digitata. This is a nematode of affecting the brain and spinal cord. Question 15. Cause of bovine theileriosis in India. Very common question asked. Theileria annulata. Very common questions. Remember this. Question 16. Worm found in the kidney of dog. Frequently asked questions. Answer is Dictophyma renal. Question 17. Cause of nasal granuloma. Due to this granuloma in the nose, during respiration, the cattle produce a sound, especially bullocks, and the sound is named as snoring. So, this is also known as snoring disease in cattle. Frequently asked questions in medicine also, in parasitology also. Cause of nasal granuloma in cattle. Answer Schistosoma nasalis. This parasite stays or resides in veins of the nose, nasal veins. Question 18. Cause of salmon poisoning. Frequently asked question. Triglotrema salmonella. Question 19. Taenia, which is hookless. Hook is not present in Taenia. Which is that Taenia? Answer Taenia saginata. Question 20. Very common tapeworm of dog having double pore. Very common tapeworm. It is commonly found in dog population, frequently found, and frequently asked questions also. Common tapeworm of dogs is Diphylidium caninum. Question 21. Perineal swab taken for the diagnosis of egg of which one? This is frequently asked question and is important for the clinician also. Answer is Oxyuris equi. The Oxyuris equi worms come out from the rectum and they lay eggs in the perianal region. So for the diagnosis of these eggs, perineal swab is taken and examined under the microscope. This is frequently asked question. Question 22. Name the tapeworm that possesses 3 or 4 proglottids or segments. Answer is Echinococcus granulosus. Frequently asked question. Question 23. Cause of measly whip. The whip is just like a granules of measles. This is also a frequently asked question. Answer is Tinea saginata. Question 24. Name cystodes that lays operculated egg. It is also a frequently asked question. Answer is Diphyllobothrium. These cystodes lays operculated eggs. The trematode also, some of the trematode also lays operculated eggs. So this is mistaken in the diagnosis. Frequently asked question. Question 25. Cause of lumbar paralysis. This is also a frequently asked question. Here the animal suffers from paralysis of the hind legs. This is also asked as a cause of cerebrospinal nematodiasis or cause of lumbar paralysis. One and the same. The answer is Ceteria digitata. Friends, you have observed the video. I have posted about 100 questions, important questions. Next time we will switch on to another subject. This 100 question will not do. My plan is to give 500 questions in this subject. And if you mug up that seriously and sincerely, you will be able to answer 80% questions of this subject. This is my guarantee. Please forward this video to our professional brothers, veterinarian, and to support this channel, subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.